10th session of 11 Manipur Legislative Assembly commenced today. The budget estimate for the fiscal 2020-21 was tabled on the floor of the House. The budget session, which has 11 sittings, began with Governor's address. Class 12 Examination 2020 conducted by Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur has begun today at 101 centers across the state amidst tight security. 29,144 students are appearing in the exam this year. Manipur Education Minister T.H. Radhishyam extended help to TN Memorial Academy located at Champrathong in Hairok Patri, where a major fire took place in the wee hours of February 12. JAC against the brutal killing of Sikh warriors has decided to suspend protests. Addressing the media at Manipur Press Club Imphal, JAC convener Maulana Habibullah informed that an agreement was reached during a meeting between JAC representatives and Chief Minister N. Biren, Superintendent of Police Thobal and Superintendent of Police Imphal West, following which the protest was suspended. Kaching police has arrested a 24-year-old man for allegedly raping a woman and looting Rs 1,15,000 from her. The accused befriended the woman through Facebook. He has been identified as Irom Chingkhainganba Elias Krivias of Tangzeng Kuno Maninglekai, Kaching district. The incident happened on 8th of February at Kaching, Ningthaulekai. A two-day-long 21st Annual Conference of Northeastern Economic Association has kicked off at the Centenary Hall of Manipur University, Kanchipur today. The conference is organized by Manipur University Economics Department under the sponsorship of Indian Council of Social Science Research, New Delhi. A two-day program on nature of civil societies, which began on February 12, concluded yesterday. The program was organized by Thobal Forest Division under the aegis of Nature Learning Center, National Mission on Himalayan Students, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India. The Mizoram government has begun screening of passengers along the Mizoram-Assam border to prevent the spread of novel coronavirus. The screening counter has been set up at Excise Checkgate at Vairangte on the Mizoram-Assam border, and a medical team from Vairangte Community Health Center has been deployed there since Tuesday to screen passengers, as per report. AC Milan and Juventus went into a 1-1 draw in the first leg of Coppa Italia semi-final at Milan in Italy yesterday.